Hello, my name is Ali Sharif and today I will be teaching you basic French. In order to learn basic French, there are many things to learn, to know. That's why in this video you will be learning the basics. Step 1. Basic phrases. The first thing I think that you should know is bonjour, which means good day, or good morning, or hello. Bonjour is a two-part word. The first part, bon, it's good. The second part, jour, is day. So if you put them both together, it's good day. But the difference is that they're one word, they're attached. There's no space between them. So bonjour, good day. Bonjour, good day. Next is bonne nuit, and which means good night. As we have learned in the first slide, that bon means good. But the difference here is that it's not bonjour, it's bonne nuit, and nuit means night. And the other difference is that they're not the same word. They're two words apart. So bonne nuit, good night. Again, bonne nuit, good night. Next, we have salut. And salut is a more friendly way of saying bonjour, and it's more friendly. You say to someone that you know, someone that is close to you, or your friend. So salut, hi. Again, salut, hi. Now, if you want to ask someone, how are they? How are you? You say, comment ça va? Comment ça va? How are you? Comment ça va? How are you? Comment ça va really means, how's it going? But it is used as, and it means, how are you? To respond to that question, to the question that has been asked, which is, how are you? You say bien, which means good. Bien, good. Again, bien, good. But you can answer in a lot of many different ways, but I really recommend, if you're a starter in French, you just use bien. Because if you say that you're not good, people ask you why, and you'll be stuck and you wouldn't know what to say. So bien, good. Next, we have merci, and merci means thank you. If you want to thank someone in any sort of reason or any circumstances, you say merci, which means thank you. Merci, thank you. After, if someone thanked you and you're just sitting there and not knowing how to say you're welcome, well, there it is. To say you're welcome, you say de rien. You are welcome, de rien. De rien really means no problem, or yeah, basically no problem, but it is used as you're welcome. So de rien, no problem. You're welcome. Now, bonjour, au revoir means goodbye, and it's a two-part word. The first part is au, which means until. The second part is revoir, which means we meet again. So until we meet again, which means goodbye. Au revoir, until we meet again, or goodbye. Au revoir, goodbye. Au revoir, goodbye. Now let's say that it hasn't been a good day for you, and someone asked you and you said that you weren't good, you said bad. So they asked you why, and you're stuck. That's an example. But if you want to ask someone, do they speak English? You say, parlez-vous anglais? Do you speak English? Parlez-vous anglais? And if they do, they will just say yes or oui, and you'll engage English conversation. And that would have helped you or saving you from a humiliating silence. Now in French, there are two ways to say, what's your name? The first way is, comment vous vous appelez? The second way is, comment tu t'appelles? First, we'll start with this one, comment vous vous appelez? And this one is a more polite way, better way of saying what's your name for someone that is older than you, someone that you don't necessarily know. So, comment vous vous appelez? And what makes it so polite is the vous. And the vous means you, but in a more, as we said, polite way. So vous means your. Comment vous vous appelez? More polite way. Comment tu t'appelles? Is a more friendly way. As you see that there's no vous, it's tu. And the tu is for your friend, someone that you know. So comment tu t'appelles? What's your name? Comment vous vous appelez? Also what's your name? To respond to that question, what's your name, you say, je m'appelle ... which means my name is ... In my case, it's je m'appelle Ali. Je m'appelle Ali. My name is Ali. My name is Ali. So, je m'appelle, my name is. Step 2, seeking help. If you want to ask someone, if you want to say please to someone, you say s'il vous plaît. Please, s'il vous plaît. Again, please, s'il vous plaît. Now, if you want to ask someone or grab someone's attention really quick to just ask him a quick question and then just go, you say, in English, it's excuse me. But in French, it's excusez-moi. Excusez-moi. The only difference is that in French, you add an "e" at the end. As you see, it is done by the EZ. It's an "e", excusez instead of excuse, and then you take away the me and you put moi. Excusez-moi instead of excuse me. Now, if you want to ask someone where is the, which is the form of a specific place you want to ask for, you say où est le, and then you just fill in the blank and put the place you want to go to. But it has to be a certain name. This is a specific question for a specific place. Where is the, ... Où est le, ... Again, where is the, où est le. Now, this is a more unspecific question. You can say, where can I? If you don't know where can you sleep, if you don't know where can you eat, where can I eat? It's a more general place, and they will lead you to the closest or the best place they know for what you need. So that in French would be où puis-je? Où puis-je? And for me, où puis-je is kind of difficult because you take away the S. It's not où puis-je, it's où puis-je. So you just put these two in one word and take away this. So it's où puis-je? Where can I? Next is comment j'arrive à? How do I get to? Which is also a specific question for us, and you need a specific answer of a place. Comment j'arrive à? How do I get to? Comment j'arrive à? How do I get to? If you, let's say your watch doesn't work, your phone is not on time, and you want to know what time is it, you ask someone, quelle heure est-il? What time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Again, what time is it? Quelle heure est-il? Step 4, words you want to know. As you can see, there are two columns. The first column, words in English. The second column, words in French. First, we'll start with the words that are really close in English and French. The first one is airport, which is in French would be aéroport. Airport, aéroport. Again, airport, aéroport. The only difference here is that you add the "a" instead of the "air", the "a", aéroport instead of the airport. But if you say airport, people will still understand you and you will be understood, so don't hesitate in that. Next one is baggage. And in French, that will be bagage. Baggage, bagage. In French, there are words that are letters that are stressed more than the others, or letters that are silent than in English. An example in this one, baggage, there are no certain stressed words, but in bagage, you stress on the second A, bagage, bagage. But other than that, they're kind of the same. Next, there's cabin, and in French it would be cabine. That also shows another example for the stress in one letter, and they stress the I. Cabin, cabine. Cabin, cabine. You stress on this I. Cabin, cabine. Now, hotel would be hotel, and that's an example for the words that have silent letters. And in this one, the H is silent. It's hotel, hotel. You just take away the H and say the word normally. Next, there's toilet and toilette. They are both kind of tricky because they're written in the exact same way. The only difference is that when you speak them, the pronunciation. And the difference is that in English, O-I next to each other are pronounced oi. toilet, oil. But in French, OY next to each other make a sound that is like wa.